Ever wondered why some of the websites stay on top of Google while some find it hard to even be on the top 10 pages? Well, it's not luck, it's not magic, it's just plain old SEO done in the right way. Hi, my name is Suyash. I'm an SEO associate at Performix and an SEO trainer at IE Jaipuria. In my 3 years of experience, I have helped around 3,000 plus students in SEO, and also I have tried my best to get my clients the best kind of organic traffic. Now, I've also created an SEO module for you, which will make search journey easier and simpler, and also it is powered with AI. In this module, you will find out keywords that actually people are searching for, content that converts, and then AI tools which will help make your SEO journey and your digital marketing journey easier, and finally, how to track the results in a pro manner. Well, if you are a marketer, if you're a businessman, if you're a student, this course is for all of you. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start drawing, and if you're ready to make your website from invisible to unmissable, let's start working on the module.